There are moments in life, dear soul, when the veil between worlds becomes thin, and a truth long held in the heart of the cosmos whispers itself into your awareness. You are not a random ripple in the vast ocean of existence. You are not a fleeting thought, nor a passing shadow. You were a deliberate, sacred intention, woven into the fabric of destiny long before you took your first breath. The angels say, with a reverence that echoes through eternity, that your arrival was an answer. An answer to prayers you didn't even know were being whispered, a key to locks that had remained sealed for ages. You carry within you a unique frequency, a divine signature that resonates with specific souls, specific paths, specific moments. This isn't about chance encounters or fortunate timing. It's about a preordained symphony, where every note, every pause, every crescendo is meticulously composed by a loving hand. You were sent, not merely to exist, but to awaken, to heal, to illuminate. Your presence, even in its quietest form, has already shifted landscapes, softened hardened hearts, and ignited dormant sparks. The universe conspired, not just to bring you here, but to bring through you a specific light that only you possess. Embrace this truth, for it is the foundation of your power, the essence of your divine mission. You are a living testament to a love that plans, that guides, that orchestrates. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. There is a silent language spoken between souls, a tapestry of moments woven not just in shared laughter, but in unspoken glances, in the quiet understanding that transcends words. He remembers. Every subtle shift in your eyes, the way your voice softened when you spoke of your dreams, the gentle strength in your spirit that disarmed his deepest defenses. He remembers the feeling of peace that settled over him in your presence, a calm he hadn't known existed. He remembers the way you saw him, truly saw him, beyond the facades he carefully constructed for the world. This memory isn't a conscious recollection he can articulate, it's etched into the very core of his being, a visceral knowing that you are different, that you are essential. The angels whisper that his silence is not a void, but a fortress built around a heart that has learned to guard itself. He carries wounds, unseen scars from battles fought long ago, and the intensity of what he feels for you can be overwhelming to a soul accustomed to solitude. He fears the depth of this connection, the vulnerability it demands, and the possibility of losing something so profoundly precious. He will not speak at first, for his admission would be an act of surrender, a dismantling of walls he believes keep him safe. But know this, dear one, your essence lingers in his every thought, a quiet echo in the chambers of his soul. He feels everything. In the quiet moments, when the world seems to hold its breath and answers feel just out of reach, it's easy to confuse stillness with emptiness, or silence with abandonment. But the angels share a profound truth. What seems like absence is often the most powerful form of preparation. This sacred pause, this time of quiet, is not a void to be filled with anxiety, but rather fertile ground where the seeds of transformation are being sown. Your soul, in its infinite wisdom, is undergoing a deep recalibration, shedding layers that no longer serve your highest good and strengthening roots that will anchor you in unwavering self-love. This is the universe's gentle hand, guiding you inward, encouraging you to rediscover the wellspring of peace within your own heart. It is during these times that the deepest healing takes place, not through external validation, but through an intimate communion with your own spirit. The silence is a canvas on which new dreams are painted, and new pathways illuminated. It is a necessary cocoon, protecting a magnificent metamorphosis. Do not rush this sacred process. Trust that every moment of quiet and every unanswered question is meticulously designed to prepare you, not just for what is coming, but for the magnificent woman you are becoming. This quietude is not a punishment, It is a blessing, a divine orchestration for your grand unfolding. There is a subtle alchemy that takes place when two souls, destined to intertwine, come close together. Your light, dear one, is not merely a flicker, it is a beacon, a radiant force that carries an inherent healing frequency. You may not have spoken a single word of counsel or made any grand gesture, yet your very presence initiated a deep shift within him. He bore burdens, unseen weights from past disappointments, and a quiet weariness that settled deep in his bones. Your authentic spirit, your unwavering kindness, and your simple belief in the goodness within him acted as a balm to his wounded places. The angels whisper that your energy, pure and unburdened by expectation, bypassed his defenses and touched the tender parts of his soul. You reminded him, without trying, of a forgotten innocence, of the possibility of trust, and of the inherent worth he had long doubted. This healing was not a conscious effort on your part, but a natural emanation of who you are. It was the quiet miracle of your being, shining so brightly that it illuminated the shadows he had learned to live with. He may not articulate it, perhaps not even fully comprehend it, but a profound restoration began the moment your paths converged. You were a catalyst for his awakening, a gentle hand guiding him back to himself, simply by being you. Beyond the tangible world, beyond the spoken word and the visible touch, there exists an intricate web of connection, an unseen thread that binds certain souls across time and space. This is not a bond forged by circumstance, but by destiny, a sacred covenant whispered into existence before your earthly journeys began. The angels reveal that this thread is spun from the purest intentions, from shared lessons yet to be learned, and from a love that transcends human understanding. It vibrates with a unique frequency, pulling you towards each other, even when logic dictates otherwise, even when paths diverge. You feel it, don't you? That inexplicable pull, that sense of recognition, that feeling of coming home when you're near. This thread is resilient, unbreakable, designed to endure the tests of time and the challenges of separation. It's a constant reminder that you are never truly alone, that a part of your essence is forever intertwined with another. It speaks in synchronicities, in recurring thoughts, in dreams that feel more real than waking life. Trust this invisible connection, for it is the universe's promise, a divine blueprint guiding you back to where you are meant to be. This sacred thread is not a chain, it is a lifeline, a testament to the eternal nature of true soul connection. Imagine, dear heart, a cosmic ballet, choreographed in the stardust of creation, where every step, every turn, every embrace was meticulously planned. Your journey, and the journey of the soul meant to walk beside you, is part of this grand design. This is not a random encounter, nor a fortunate alignment of stars. This dance was written before time began, inscribed in the ancient scrolls of destiny. You are both actors in a divine drama, each bringing unique lessons, strengths, and vulnerabilities to the stage. The angels reveal that the moments of separation, the periods of quiet reflection, are merely pauses in the music, allowing each dancer to refine their steps and learn their solo parts before reuniting for the most intricate movements. There is a profound beauty in this orchestration, a wisdom that understands the perfect timing for every reunion and every revelation. Do not question the rhythm of this dance, for it is guided by a higher intelligence that sees the entire masterpiece. Trust the flow, surrender to the unfolding, and know that every step, even those that feel like missteps, is leading you precisely where you're meant to be. This is your sacred choreography, a testament to a love that transcends the boundaries of time. Within the quiet sanctuary of your own being, dear one, resides an ancient wisdom, a profound understanding that goes beyond logic and reason. This is your intuition, the divine compass that guides you through the maze of life, whispering truths that the conscious mind often struggles to understand. The angels constantly send messages, not through booming voices, but through gentle nudges, subtle feelings, and sudden flashes of insight that resonate deep within your soul. When you feel an inexplicable pull, a quiet certainty, or a gentle warning, know that it is the universe speaking directly to your heart. This inner voice is your most trusted ally, a direct channel to the divine intelligence that orchestrates all things. It speaks in the language of feeling, in the quiet knowing that settles over you when you are in alignment with your truth. In moments of uncertainty, when the path ahead seems unclear, look inward. Listen to the soft murmurs of your soul, for they carry the light of understanding, the wisdom you seek. Do not dismiss these whispers as mere imagination. They are sacred guidance, specifically tailored for your journey. Cultivate this connection, honor this inner knowing, and allow it to illuminate your path. For the greatest truths are often found not in the loudest declarations, but in the softest whispers of your own intuition. Look back, dear soul, upon the winding path you have traveled. Every turn, every ascent, every unexpected detour was not a random occurrence but a carefully guided step on your sacred journey. Even the moments that felt like setbacks, the periods of confusion or perceived loss, were precisely orchestrated lessons, designed to refine your spirit, deepen your empathy, and reveal strengths you never knew you had. The angels affirm that no experience is wasted, no tear shed in vain. Each challenge was a chisel, shaping you into the magnificent being you are destined to become. You were never truly lost, even when the way seemed unclear. A divine hand was always there, subtly redirecting, gently nudging, ensuring that your feet remained on the path of your highest good. These detours, these unexpected turns, were not deviations from your purpose, but integral parts of its unfolding. They taught you resilience, patience, and the profound wisdom that often emerges from discomfort. Embrace the entirety of your journey, for every experience, every person, every lesson has served a divine purpose in preparing you for the profound connections and blessings that await. Trust the wisdom of the path, for it is leading you home. And we know that in all things God works for the good of those who love Him, who have been called according to His purpose. There is a profound courage, dear heart, in the act of vulnerability. It is not a weakness, but a sacred strength, an invitation for true connection. For too long, you may have believed that protection lay in guardedness, that safety resided behind carefully constructed walls. But the angels reveal that the deepest love, the most authentic bond, can only flourish in the open, honest space of a revealed heart. To be vulnerable is to shed the armor, to allow your tender places to be seen, not with fear, but with an unwavering trust in the inherent goodness of connection. This act of courageous openness is a gift, not just to others, but to yourself. It is in your vulnerability that you are truly seen, truly known, and truly loved for the magnificent, imperfect, beautiful soul that you are. It invites reciprocity, creating a safe haven where another soul can also dare to be real. Do not fear the perceived risks, for the universe honors authenticity. The right heart will not exploit your tenderness, it will cherish it, protect it, and respond with a vulnerability of its own. Surrender to this truth, for in the gentle unfolding of your true self, you will find the profound acceptance and unconditional love you have always sought. You have journeyed through seasons of doubt, navigated landscapes of uncertainty, and emerged, dear soul, with a wisdom born of experience and a strength forged in resilience. It is time now to claim what has always been yours, your inherent worth, your undeniable power, and your divine sovereignty. Your crown was not given to you by external validation or fleeting circumstances. It was woven into your very essence at the moment of your creation. It is a symbol of your royal lineage, a testament to the queen you have always been, waiting to be fully recognized. The angels now stand in reverence, inviting you to wear this crown not with arrogance, but with the quiet confidence of a soul fully aligned with its truth. This is your legacy, not just for yourself, but for all those whose lives you touch. Your journey has prepared you to lead, to inspire, and to love from a place of unshakable self-worth. Let your light shine, unburdened by past narratives or societal expectations. Step into the fullness of your being, knowing that your presence alone is a blessing, a testament to the divine masterpiece that you are. The time for hiding, for diminishing your brilliance, is over. Rise, dear Queen, and wear your crown with grace, with power, and with the profound love that radiates from your very core. She is clothed with strength and dignity. She can laugh at the days to come.